ஓட்டுறதுக்கு வாங்க, மண்ணில் ஓட்டுறதுக்கு வாங்க. செருக்காது மண்ணில், சாதா வண்டி செருக்கிற மாதிரி செருக்காது. நல்லா இருக்கும் ஓட்ட மண்ணில். அவனை மட்டும் முடிச்சுட்டு வந்துடுறேன். அவன் பேர் என்ன? Hello, Tommy. Hi. That's a Rottweiler, by the way. Hi. Tommy Kutta. Okay, fellas, Ben back again with another video. A quick, if you guys can see, this is the condition of my engine now. Yeah, I know you guys will not be able to see much just because of lack of light here, but then again I am forced to work here. So this is going to be this is after a wash, a nice and thorough clean and wash. I wouldn't give the wash 100% 10 on 10 ratings, because it was just an old man doing it, and I also accompanied him, and then we got things done into the bare minimum. Two coats instead of one. The chassis. This product is good to go on all the matte parts. Leave it like that, let it dry, wipe off the excess, and the job's done. That's about it. That's all there is to it. Let me just start wiping with my microfiber and then get back to you guys. So silicone spray from Abro, and there are plenty of other manufacturers who make this. I have used Liquimoli, I have used what's it called, Worth, and I also have used Abro. And of the three, I prefer Liquimoli silicone spray more than the others, is because it is far more misty. It comes off as a nice even mist, whereas the other cans squirt a little more of the liquid or the contents. They are a little more denser compared to Liquimoli. So yep, Liquimoli in that respect is far more it spreads far more evenly, and I end up using lesser quantities of the silicone spray compared to these cans, is because these cans squirt a lot more. And some quick touch up with paint. So yep, just looking for where I can go in. This is also part of the deal. Just quick maintenance jobs, nothing more, nothing serious. Just to cover the rust, maybe, just like that, just on top of the dirt. And of course I'll be offending a lot of fellows out there, but don't really care much. This is for my personal satisfaction and nobody else's. So yep, I may seem a little haphazard with paint, but don't really care much. This is just to contain the rusting part. Just more psychological than anything else. Okay, fellas, so that is a close-up of how the engine looks now in the light. So that's the job of the Abro silicone spray, like how you guys saw me use it just a while ago. So I thought I would take the bike out in good light and then share the results with you. Yeah, this is not exactly the best job that I've done. Of course, I can go ahead and do a much more detailed job, but then again, yeah, after all, it's an adventure motorcycle, and yeah, these things are bound to happen. And I've made plenty of videos for you guys to understand the crux of it, the idea behind going ahead and maintaining or having the engine look nice and cool. For me, this part looking like new is the most important deal. I don't really care much about the rest of it, the rest of the paintwork. My tank, my forks, my wheels, everything can take a beating, but not the engine. I always like my engine to look like brand new. So yep, a smacking clean engine, and that's all that matters to me. So yep, that's the whole of it. This is how the motorcycle looks from a distance. Some videos on the Vietera tail rack coming up. There's an SP Connect mobile holder, another video coming up. I'm testing these products, so I'm not in a position to just quickly make a video. And this unboxing, I am sorry I didn't make a video. The unboxing part of this is because I was too excited to get them fitted onto the motorcycle, and that is where we are at now. So yep, that's how the bike looks. With the brand new silicone spray on the engine. So if you guys like the video, kindly give it a big thumbs up, a sore thumb, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This channel is going to be a lot helpful for any of you guys who own Himalayans and in general adventure bikes, is because the whole of it is about how to make the world of adventure biking a lot more interesting and fun. So until next time, see you guys. Ciao.